Hello everybody. I just want to demonstrate a problem that Autodesk has with Fusion Personal, and they will not do any telephone support. And I've tried and tried and tried to get some help from them, and I will show you here. Anyway, I'm a 40-year career engineer who's just retired, and I want to use Fusion Personal for hobbying and plastic printing. So it's actually the personal edition has limited functionality, which is just fine with me. I used to have a real Fusion account, a commercial account that I paid for, and it's called the Legacy account. Anyway, after I got done with the Legacy account and quit using it, I downloaded Fusion Personal, and it crashes all the time. So let me just walk you through that and show you how Autodesk does not provide good support for Fusion 360 Personal Edition. Anyway, this is my Macintosh. It's brand new. It's a MacBook Air, and it's fully qualified to run Fusion. It's got the new Apple M5 chip in it, plenty of memory. It's got the latest version of Mac OS Tahoe, version 26.5. And I have loaded a clean version of Fusion Personal Edition on here. I'll go over to here and activate Fusion Personal. So I've been dealing with Autodesk for over 3 weeks now. We'll allow Fusion to find it, since the little icon doesn't seem to log in. It says I'm signing in right now to Autodesk Fusion. It's signing into my email. I should allow it to find things on local networks. Yes, I'll allow that. So here's Fusion. This is a brand new installation of Fusion Personal Edition, not for commercial use, which is just fine. So I made this little color coupon here that I can print on my plastic printer. I wanted to print the bottom in black plastic and then the very little top coupon in white plastic. But anyway, as far as Autodesk Fusion is concerned, it's just a very simple model. So let's open it up and take a look at it. Okay, well, here it is, and basically it's a fully functional little model of a very simple part. Down here, we can go down the timeline. We can go and take a look at the original sketch, and then we find that first extrusion right here. There's a sketch on the next layer up, which is right here, and then I proceeded to extrude that in the same direction. Oh, come on, Autodesk. Okay, so now I have this coupon. Okay, well, in order to, and I can go in and I can go up to the menu up here, and I can say, okay, save this file. Well, let's see what happens. Okay, it saved the file. That's good. Okay, well, how about we do something like take the file and export it. And what we want to do is take my color coupon here. The type of file I want to export is completely legal as a STL file. I want to load it to users. This is my name, Stan Tomich. Instead of putting it to downloads, what I want to do is I just want to put it on my desktop. So let's go in here and I'm going to select my desktop right here. Okay, so this is all that's on my desktop, and I want to open that. Okay, so what we can see is I've got my color coupon. It's an STL file. The location is users, Stan Tomich, on the desktop. That's me. And as soon as I hit export here, you get this little busy signal and you get a crash. Well, I've sent in a lot of these reports, okay? But you can also go in here and view the error details. Well, if we look at the error details, basically this crash has made my computer unusable. In other words, Fusion Personal is locked up. I can't get past this. I can't cancel this. I can't get rid of that. So I can close this send report box, maybe. Well, there it goes. Okay, now I've still got these logs here that are behind this export crash. Well, how do I get to those? Okay, you just witnessed Fusion crash completely. Here are the export logs. I'm supposed to send these in to Autodesk Help, which I have, and they're not able to help. Well, let's just go back and review how Autodesk is really responding to this problem. I go here, I've got a Gmail account. Let's search my Gmail for Autodesk customer. And basically it's already knows I want customer support. So let's take a look at what I've got. Look at all these case files I've got. All of these files. It's the same old problem, and Autodesk comes back, and just recently I get this from a supervisor at Autodesk, and basically he's saying for any software-related issues, the appropriate support channel under this is Fusion Forum, where our community and experts can assist you further. Well, the forum and the community experts don't have access to the internal software at Autodesk computers where the problem is occurring. I believe it's because I have an old legacy account that has not been used and not funded again, and it's been cleaned off my machine. This is a brand new Mac PC. And I download Fusion Personal and it crashes every single time. And this is what you get. This guy's the supervisor. His name is Olha. I completely understand how frustrating this may be, and I apologize for your patience. I've been asking for them just to call me, get one of their engineers to lock onto my machine, give them remote access, so they can lock onto my machine, observe the same problem, look at the log files, and I'm not getting any response from Autodesk at all. All I get is the same old bullshit, basically, where I ask for Autodesk support. Let me just show you again. Customer. I mean, look at all this email. It goes clear back to March. I've been having this problem for a long time, and Autodesk refuses to give me an engineer on the phone that can take a look at this problem and solve it. Anyway, that's all I believe in Autodesk Fusion. I used to be a big fan of it, but right now I'm beginning to hate it. And also, for everybody out there, you need to know that Solidworks has a Maker Edition, which is $49 a year. It'll do the same thing as Fusion Personal. And I know that Solidworks has technical help, and they will call you and log into your computer and help you troubleshoot problems if you should have them. Anyway, my advice right now is to be very, very leery of Autodesk giving you any support on Fusion Personal.